Hello, everybody, and Assalamu alaikum. This is Ishan Hassan. I'm the tutor of finance and accountancy, including ACCA. I'm teaching to the ACCA students from last 13 years. And I also have a working experience in one of the multinational firm as an finance executive accountant. Also, I had a working experience as auditor in Deloitte. I also had a working experience as a blog writer for acccacareers.com, and I'm the founder of this www.accountancy.com. So in this video, in this session, I'll be giving you the intro for the paper known as Financial Reporting F7. Now, firstly, let us discuss about the content of this, the syllabus of their F7. Okay. First topic is IAS 16, property, plant, and equipment, in which we will learn the accounting related to the non-current assets, which includes initial recognition of non-current assets, recognition, measurement criteria, which cost to capitalize initially, what is depreciation, methods of depreciation, methods of depreciation. Okay, methods of depreciation, revaluation reserve, and the various treatments of revaluation. Okay, then we will move to the other topic known as IAS 20 government grants, in which first we will learn what is government grant and types of government grant, that is capital grant, revenue grant, what are their accounting treatments, and what to do in case of repayment of grant, and what are those situations in which organization may have to return those grants. Okay, then we will move to the other topic known as IAS 23, borrowing cost. So what is borrowing cost? What are the qualifying assets, the methods, the recognition and measurement criteria of borrowing cost, when to start the capitalization, when to stop the capitalization, when to suspend the capitalization, all will be done in here. Then we will move to the other topic, that is IAS investment properties. So what is investment properties? What is the recognition criteria? What is the measurement criteria? What is the cost model, the treatment and its treatment? What is the fair value, its treatment? What if we have to switch from cost model to fair value model, or fair value model to cost model? And some little bit consolidation scenarios for the investment properties. Then we will done with it. Then we will do IAS 41 agriculture, which is related to the agriculture products, accounting treatment, what is agriculture produce, what is agriculture hours, their accounting treatments. Then we will move to the other topic, that is IAS 36 investment properties, or investment IAS 36 impairment. So in impairment, we will find out what is impairment, how to recognize the impairment, what are the internal indicators of the impairment, what are the external indicators of impairment. Obviously, we'll do the examples along with them for all the topics, and then we will go to what is cash generating unit and what is the method for cash generating unit impairment. IAS 37 provisions, contingent liabilities and contingent assets. What is provisions? When to recognize the provisions? The condition for the provisions. What is contingent assets? Contingent liabilities. What is the criteria for the restructuring provision? What is the criteria for onerous contracts provisions? All will be done here. Then IAS 38, intangible assets. What is intangible assets? What are their recognition criteria, measurement criteria? What is it? When to recognize goodwill, when to not? What is amortization? What are the accounting treatments of definite and indefinite life intangible assets? What is research cost and its accounting treatment? What is development cost and what is the criteria to capitalize the development expenditure? Then we will do IFRS 5, held for sale and discontinued operations. Held for sale and discontinued operations. We'll do then what are the held for sale assets, what are the conditions for to recognize the assets and held for sale, what are the discontinued operations and their recognition measurement criteria. Then we'll move to the other topics, conceptual and regulatory framework, conceptual framework and measurement. Okay, then we will do the one of the old topic, IS2 inventory, IS8 changes in accounting policies and estimates. Then we'll move to the IFRS 9 financial instruments. What are the financial instruments? What is financial assets? What are the financial liabilities and their accounting treatments? Obviously, then we'll move to the other topic known as IS 21 foreign currency. What is foreign currency? What is the spot rate, average rate, year-end rate? How to do the foreign currency accounting treatments? Then we will do the next area, IFRS 15, the revenue recognition and customer contracts. 5 steps to recognize the revenue, their accounting treatments. Then about the customer contracts, right? What is input method, output method for the customer contracts. Oh, then we will move to the next area known as IFRS 16, lease. So we will do the leases. What is lease? What is meant by lease? Their accounting treatment for the lease liabilities. Then what are the short-term lease? What are the conditions and the accounting treatments? What is sale and leaseback? Sale and leaseback and its accounting treatment. IS 12 taxation. What is temporary difference? What is permanent difference? Their accounting treatments. Then IS 10, even after the reporting period, adjusting what are the adjusting events, what are non-adjusting events. Then IS, the next topic, statement of cash flows. Obviously, we did back in F3 as well. Then ratios, we will do the ratios part. Okay, principles of consolidated financial statements, consolidated statement of financial position, consolidated statement of profit and loss, associates, group disposals. These are the areas of F7. As far as the exam format is concerned, first we have section A, 30 marks available for them, 2 marks each for each MCQ, right? And total will be 15 MCQ. Then we will have section C related to the OTQs. Section B for OTQs, 3 questions, 5 requirements each for 2 marks each, right? Which will consist of MCQs, filling the blanks, etc. And obviously, it will have some brief scenarios there. Then we will have section C. Right, total 40 marks, 2 questions of 20 marks each, which you may get from the consolidation, ratios, final accounts. Obviously, final accounts is the topic which I didn't wrote over here. Final accounts, right, in which you have to produce the single entity financial statement, including the statement of financial position, statement of profit loss, and statement of changes in equity, sometimes redrafting, right? So 20 marks each for 2 questions, and which will be, as I said, consist of consolidation, ratios, final accounts, and sometimes they can give you cash flows in it as well. So what will be the teaching strategy? Teaching strategy will be like that. We will first cover all of these standards. Then you will do the MCQs of those standards. We'll do the final accounts questions, and then we will do the cash flows. Then we'll move to the ratios part, their section C questions, consolidation, their section C questions, and in the end, we will practice the 60 marks MCQs, right? So let me show you my portal. Get back here. Just a second. So here it is. Move on. You will select finance reporting. Then you will go to the online classroom. If you want the lectures in English, you will click on English. If you want the lectures in online classroom to or in the language, click on online classroom to Hindi, right? Let us click on it. Then click on curriculum. See those topics on which you can see preview. Those are the demo lectures. Click on them. And here it is. Here is it is. Here are the lectures and their notes are below over here. Right? Like that, whole course is there. Then what? What it consists of? Course will be available for you 180 days. That means the recorded lectures, the portal will be available for you 180 days, so that God forbid it fail, it will be available for you one another attempt. Okay, live classes will be there. You can send me your assignments to check and give you the feedback. Exam tips will be there. All will be there, right? And classes, live online classes will be conducted on either Facebook Live or Zoom. That will be communicated to you after you enroll and get this course. Uh, so that's it for this section, and I hope you get it. Um, yeah, how to get the course? Click on the Get Course. See, you will come to this page. Up, proceed to checkout. Enter your details. Use PayPro as your payment option. Accept the terms and conditions. Place order. And then you can enter, if you want to pay by a debit or credit card, choose that option. If you want to pay by a direct bank transfer, choose that option. Enter the details of the card or your bank details and click on the pay now. Your payment will be proceed, and then you can inform us. So I hope this introduction of the course will help to understand the course outline. Soon we'll be starting with the classes. Get yourself enrolled for the classes, and that's it for the session.